Hello students, Standard 6, English, Poem 4, Beauty. In this poem, poet asks us what is beauty. From my point of view, beauty is called nature. Means nature is beauty. Try to describe what is beauty. You have to try to describe that from your point of view what is called beauty, or list some of the things or person you think are beautiful. You have to make a list of the things or person that you are thinking these are beautiful. Now let us read a poem on beauty. You have to recite the poem with me. First you have to take a pencil in your hand and read a poem with me. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people walking or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Poet of the poem is E. A. Sure. Now I am explaining you the poem's first stanza. First stanza, beauty is seen. Beauty कहाँ दिखती है? In the sunlight. See here the picture of sunlight. The trees also looking beautiful. The birds also looking very pretty. Corn growing means crop growing in the farm. People walking, people वॉक करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ ऑफिस में, है ना. और डांसिंग फॉर देयर हार्वेस्ट, और पीपल या तो फार्मर है वो अपने सीजनल क्रॉप्स के लिए डांसिंग करते हैं फार्म में. तो इसमें पिक्चर में भी मैंने आपको दिखाया है कि फार्मर कैसे सीजनल क्रॉप्स आ रहे हैं तो उसके लिए वो खुश होके डांस कर रहा है. In first stanza we had seen that beauty is seen in the sunlight, in the trees, birds, crop growing, people walking or dancing for their seasonal crops. Now second stanza. Beauty is heard, मतलब beauty हमें कहाँ पे सुनाई देती है? In the night means night time, when nobody is waking up, all are sleeping in the house and in the other places. Wind sighing means wind is blowing, wind चलती है या तो whoosh. Rain falling means rain is falling down on the earth as a raindrops. You see in the picture that the raindrops are falling on the earth. Or a singer chanting means singer is singing. Here the picture of a singer. Anything in earnest means anything in money. Any serious problem is there. So in that serious problem, anyone find the beauty. In second stanza, I was explained you about where we are hearing a beauty. In the night, in the wind blowing, rain falling, singers singing, or anything is serious. Now third stanza. Beauty is seen in yourself. Means inside you a beauty is there. Here you see a picture of students who is sitting in a class. It is like you. You were also seated in a class before Corona or last year. Are you remember all the days that you were enjoyed with your friends? Yes. Good deeds. Deeds means achievements or work. When you got the rank in the exam or in any other activity. So that is called your good deeds or your good achievements. Happy thoughts means you have to think in a positive way. So in a thought, beautiful things are there. So for that I am representing you a beautiful thoughts with a photo that repeats themselves. means वो अपने आप से रिपीट होते जाते हैं. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा काम करोगे तो उसके लिए भी आपको गुड विशेस मिलेंगी और अगर आप अच्छा सोचोगे तो आपके लिए वो बेस्ट विशेस होगा या तो बेस्ट थॉट होगा. In your dreams means beauty seen in your dreams. When you are watching any dream, you are feeling beauty in that. Means when you are dreaming about any natural things, so on your face exactly the beauty or smile is coming. So here I am representing you a photo of a dream. In this photo, the butterfly is flying on the grass. When you are watching any dream, you are watching so many things in that. So, I am representing only one image for you. In your work, means when you are doing the work, nowadays with your brother and sister, you are feeling happiness or beauty. And you work with your friends at online studies. So it is also a beautiful moment for you. And even in your rest, when you are feeling tired, you want to rest. So in your rest also beauty is coming out from your face. So in third stanza, we had seen that beauty is in yourself, in other person's self, good deeds, happy thoughts, and your dreams, work, and rest. I hope you all understood this poem very well.